the Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday on this 22nd day of June. Wow, time is racing on. We're just a couple of weeks away from the 4th of July. Hey, I'm glad you're here this morning. My name is Rich. It is 3:48 in the morning. We have some stuff to talk about. A cluster of thunderstorms needs to be monitored this afternoon. What us meteorologists call an MCV, a mesoscale convective vortex. I know that's a lot of mumble jumble for a cluster of storms, which could cause multiple severe thunderstorm warnings later on this afternoon, perhaps, and maybe some 60-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts. I've got the latest future radar and the latest on timing and what to expect. Plus, I've kind of tweaked the weekend forecast a little bit. I've taken the rain chances. Well, you'll see in just a second. And we'll also check out the tropics as well. Let's get started. An unusually strong disturbance in the upper atmosphere for this time of the year is going to be one of the catalysts for storm development today. So that's going to be provide the instability plus afternoon heating as this cluster of storms moves southward in through the area into central Alabama anytime from mid-afternoon to, let's say, early evening. Don't take this 5 p.m. literally on this particular model, but I think there's a chance that there will be multiple warnings across several counties with severe thunderstorm warnings with damaging wind gusts possible. And you see that yellow area from about Clinton northward. That's where the best chance of warnings will be today, and the marginal risk is as far south as, let's say, Greenville, Troy, and Eufaula, with 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts certainly a possibility. So stay on your toes. Our weather app will alert you to any warnings instantly wherever you are. So get it on your phone today. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are a good bet. A few of the storms could be on the strong side, high around 91. Tonight's low 74. The storms will tend to fade out in the overnight hours tonight, and tomorrow is a routine summer day. Routine in the summertime would be about a 30% chance of some hit or miss storms and a high in the lower 90s, and that's what we're going to have. Sunday, with the ridge of high pressure building above us again in the upper atmosphere, I think storms will be hard to find on the radar, maybe not many at all. So a mainly dry day, a hot day with high temperatures approaching the middle 90s as we get into Sunday, and triple-digit heat indices, not only Sunday but Monday as well. I think, though, there'll be some scattered storms around Monday and Tuesday, but I don't think they're going to be widespread, and temperatures are going to be hot with triple-digit heat indices. So we're talking about, a 30% chance of storms tomorrow, which is standard, 93 the high. Then middle 90s with hardly any storms on Sunday, and more scattered storms Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with high temperatures. Pretty hot, triple-digit heat indices each day, I think. And in fact, as we look at the American model, the GFS, it likes the idea of some middle 90-degree heat as we get into especially Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. This is a good beach forecast. About a 30% chance of a passing thunderstorm today, 20% chance Saturday and Sunday. That's a good forecast. Highs generally in the upper 80s, water temperature at 84 degrees down at the beach. What about in the tropics? Well, the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico are relatively quiet right now, according to the National Hurricane Center. The European likes to watch this little area off the coast of Africa for possible development. We'll be watching that. And a little area across the south, off the southeast coast and the eastern Gulf of Mexico as well. Hey, our weather app, get it on your phone today, because if there's any warnings this afternoon, it will instantly alert you wherever you are. It knows where you are, and it's got the advanced interactive radar down to the neighborhood level. All you have to do is search Rich Thomas Weather in the App Store. Okay, so there's no video tomorrow because it's Saturday, but even early morning on Saturday and Sunday, I get up and usually post a weather blog, probably right around dawn most mornings. I can do a weather blog at about 1/3 of the time that a video takes. And your forecast whenever you want it all weekend long across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. And we're also live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Before our show starts at 6 a.m., I'm live with Ryan Stinnett on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network, with their morning show. And we are talking weather. And today we're going to be talking about that cluster of storms. That's worth your time, 5:50 a.m. And the next hour, we are live from the News Talk studio upstairs, our morning crew interacting with their morning crew, and we always have a fun discussion. See you later. Have a great weekend.
Rich Thomas Weather.